If you're a Forex trader, you're probably struggling to make money right now, and I'm gonna tell you why. Trading is a zero-sum game. In order for one person to make money, another person has to lose money. And the truth is, as most learn the hard way, the odds are against you. If you don't have the skill or means to be in the top 3% of traders, data shows you will likely lose money in the long run. To make matters worse or better for those involved, algorithmic trading has been on the rise and the Forex market will never be the same because of it. What we've found is that most manual traders fail due to a lack of one or a combination of three things: time, skill, and capital. Hi, I'm Nathan Jester, and we develop algorithmic trading solutions that take the requirements of time, skill, and capital out of the equation while helping you make four to multi-four figures per month with only a couple minutes per day. On Saturday, the 24th of February at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, we will be hosting a webinar in which we will introduce to you our most recent algorithmic trading success, the prop bot. Specifically, we will cover how it works, how our clients are making anywhere between $500 and $5,000 per month, and how you can potentially do the same. So to say thank you for joining, all webinar attendees will be receiving our Wyckoff Wizard indicator absolutely for free that sends you high probability buy and sell signals directly to your phone. And of course, we're gonna be teaching you exactly how it works. Some of our clients are actually using this exact product to take withdrawals from prop firms just like Joe.
Hi, my name is Joe. I'm a client of Aerial FX. I've been using the Wyckoff Wizard for around 6 months now on a $100,000 account and a $200,000 account. I've had 4 prop firm payouts. The Wizard generally returns about 0.5% per month. It uses a really sound strategy.
And with that out of the way, just so you know, we are not the pioneers of algorithmic trading. I'm sure you've heard of the big hedge funds and institutions who are leveraging algorithmic trading software to absolutely destroy the market. But if you haven't, here's Jim Simmons, who is largely proclaimed to be the most successful hedge fund manager of all time. He ran the Medallion Fund, which is an algorithmic trading fund that has averaged 66.1% per year between 1988 and 2018, totaling over $100 billion in profit. And no one has ever seen anything quite like this before, and that's when algorithmic trading was born. Now, we haven't quite got to that level of scale yet, but we are well on our way. With product development stretching 5 years back and live track records of over 2.5 years showing complete transparency, we quickly took the algorithmic trading market by storm. Since then, we have accumulated a portfolio of over $20 million in live client funds, which, might I just add, we've held an average return of 50 to 60% per year while making our clients millions of dollars in the process, all being completely hands-free. The only issue up until this point is that our clients needed to responsibly allocate 5 to 6 figures of capital in order to run these algorithms with proper risk management, so this has largely been out of the reach to the general public. And that is why we have developed the prop bot, which has completely eliminated the need for a large investment on the part of our clients. The secret? Well, our bot trades on funded capital. I mean, it's called the prop bot, so that was obvious, right? We not only pass your prop challenge for you, which is 100% guaranteed and free in line with our webinar offering, but now the prop bot will manage all of your trades for you with no trading experience required. And this is why the system is so great. You don't need to be profitable, you don't need to be consistent, and you certainly do not have to have precise entries. Heck, you don't even need but 2 minutes a day to make this work. So how does it all work? Without getting too technical, given that we're trading on funded capital, we have designed the prop bot to aim for a hyper-conservative 0.5 to 1% return per month, and in doing so, increases the probability of you taking a withdrawal by over 90%. The algorithm is specifically designed to manage each and every one of the trades you place to maximize the probability of exiting those trades in profit by adhering to our strict industry-leading risk management technique. The largest misconception in this industry is that in order to increase your return, you have to increase your risk, which ultimately just leads to blown accounts. However, the professional trader understands that risk is of the utmost importance. So how do you increase returns? Simple. You increase your capital allocation and let the professional trader, the prop bot, do all the heavy lifting. Just like Jackie, who recently hit the 7-figure in funded capital mark and is now making more money from the prop bot than her full-time job as a teacher.
I didn't really have much experience, and it really took me like 3 or 4 days to get the hang of it. Yeah, I just started out with one account just to kind of get my feet wet. I realized how easy it was. I literally just look at my account for like 3 to 5 minutes in the morning, do what I have to do, and then the bot does the rest. And I decided I wanted to max out in funding, and now I have $1 million in funding. I would say I make about like 3 to 4,000 per month.
Now, it's not just Jackie. Since releasing the beta version of our system to our clients, we have accumulated tens of thousands of dollars in prop firm payouts with no sign of slowing down. To wrap up, we have put a lot of time, effort, and resources into hosting this webinar, and because we only have 75 licenses available to distribute, we are limiting the amount of registrants to only 500 people. I look forward to seeing you there on Saturday, February 24th at 10 a.m. Eastern Time. Click the link below, register, and I'll see you there.